Hello everyone, welcome to the RHS Chelsea Flower Show channel, where we share beautiful images and stories about the world of flowers and plants. I know your time is precious, and I sincerely apologize if we've caused any inconvenience. If you've clicked on our video, please don't leave just yet. Watch and let us know what you didn't like. Your comments will help us make better videos to serve you. Please like and subscribe to support us. We always strive to bring you the best content, but we truly need your support. Subscribing not only helps you stay updated with our latest videos, but also provides us with the motivation to overcome challenges and keep creating. Thank you so much. Hit the subscribe button and share the beauty of nature with us.